everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make bacon using Pampered Chef's Deluxe air fryer. So I've got all of our ingredients here ready to go. I've got our bacon cut in half, and I have our rotisserie basket that comes with the Deluxe air fryer. I'm just going to toss about a pound of bacon strips. These are thick cut bacon, and I cut these in half using Pampered Chef's kitchen shears, and I really love the kitchen shears because they come apart for easy cleaning, and they also have a lifetime guarantee. Let me wash my hands. So I have clean hands to work with our basket, put it inside of the air fryer. Now, in the air fryer already, I have our drip tray with a couple pieces of day-old bread, and you can use fresh bread if that's all you have, but you're gonna put a couple of slices of bread in the bottom. That is to catch all of the grease, and it will also reduce the amount of smoke that you get from the bacon grease. I'm going to turn this a little bit closer to me. I'm going to close my basket, and then you can use your hands or you can use your retrieval tool to attach your basket. I'm going to just slide this in. You hook it on the left and then hook it on the right. I'll flip this around so that you can see what I did there. When this is done, I'll use the retrieval tool to take it out and put it on this sheet pan here. I'll rinse this off since I had some raw bacon on there. And I'll show you a fun way to open up your basket without burning yourself. So we're gonna close this lid here, the door, and we're gonna set this to rotisserie. And I'm gonna reduce the time because these are pre-programmed. We're gonna do this for 20 minutes, and I'll check it and just see if it's as crispy as I want it to be. And if it's not as crispy as I want it to be, I may add another 5 minutes. So 20 to 25 minutes on the rotisserie setting. So I'll be back to show you what this looks like and how to take it out and open the basket. So I'll see you soon. All right, you guys, ready to see this bacon? I cooked this for 25 minutes. I thought it was gonna probably take an extra 5 because it is that thick cooked bacon. So make sure that whenever you're cooking this that you monitor it the first time so that you know how long that you need to cook it. So if this is our air fryer, it's totally finished now. I'm gonna use my retrieval tool to take this basket out. So I'm gonna hook this under, and then I'm gonna slide to the left and then to the right to pop this out. Okay, so you're gonna hook that in, slide to the left, and then to the right. Slide this all the way out here. And I do wanna show you guys the drip tray. So can you guys see here? I've got a couple of pieces of now almost burnt toast, and it soaked up most of that bacon grease. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slide this out of the way to give me just a little bit more room and show you guys how to open up this basket so that you don't burn yourself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use our microwave grips. I like these because you can actually hold on to both sides if you needed to. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my retrieval tool and I'm gonna hook it inside of that little hook, and then I can use my little grippers to hold that basket, and look, this pops this right open. And check this out. We have perfect bacon. If you're gonna put your hand in here, just make sure you don't touch the sides, but look, perfectly cooked bacon. And so I will use some tongs to get all of that out, and then this is going to be ready to eat. So this is the easiest way, in my opinion, to make bacon because it's totally hands-off after you put it in the air fryer. So cut the bacon strips in half, put them in the rotisserie basket. Put the basket in the air fryer. Make sure you put 2 pieces of day-old bread in the bottom to collect that grease. It makes cleanup a lot easier, and it also keeps it from having any smoke escape from the door. It's not gonna hurt anything if you have that, but it just reduces that smoke factor. So I hope you guys are excited to make bacon in your Deluxe air fryer, and I will see you next time. Be sure to join my recipe community. You can find it at theflipflopchef.com. And if there's anything you see in this video that you would like to purchase, please reach out to me. You can click the shop button on any of my pages that you're following and shop directly from there, or I'm more than happy to help enter your order for you. So thanks so much. Have a great day.